The blue bike is a CGO 800 from Tenways, which is a comfort style Dutch bike. And then the one in the back is the lightweight 40-pound CGO 600 Pro. So we're going to ride these two bikes up into Los Angeles to the Critical Mass bike ride. And we don't know where we're going. The thing about Critical Mass is that you never know where you're going. Both of these bikes have a Gates carbon fiber belt drive and 350 watt motors in the back. Identical motors on those, made by Mevice, and they have really sturdy tires with Kevlar in them to the point where I ran over a nail with this one, and you just pull the nail out and keep going. That Kevlar stops everything. So that's a good thing to have on a unpredictable urban bike ride. So there you go. That's a CGO 600 in the front, 800 in the back, and we're meeting at Wilshire and Western, the Wiltern Theater. And then somebody was handing out these heart-shaped valve caps. Everybody's in a real good mood. It's a good vibe, and every possible different kind of biker is there, and everybody is everybody else's friend. Everybody loves each other. So this is like a community cycling event where all the different demographics get together and they have a good time. They play music on the ride. People bring these giant boom boxes on wheels. And this was a huge event. Like, it's really hard to capture if I don't have a drone, just how many people. I mean, it probably was a couple thousand people. And the secret ride ended up going more than 30 miles. We went from Wilshire and Western all the way around the backside of Griffith Park, hung out for a little bit, and then went through Glendale and Pasadena. So this was a monster ride. And insofar as this is a bit of an e-bike commercial, even though I've only sold 2 bikes with my links, there's links in the description. Nobody ever uses them, but if you want to check out Tenways, check them out. I'm having a good time with these bikes. But they made it on 36 volt 10 amp hour battery. You know, there's a lot of pedal assist zero in this ride if it was flat, but there's a lot of climbing if you try to go around the back of Griffith Park up to Glendale and back to Wilshire and Western. And then we had to climb a bunch to get from the end of the train stop 4 or 5 miles to the starting point. So we probably put in 40 or 45 miles on this ride. There's the oldest person in the world. He's 65 and he's able to keep up with everybody with a little bit of help from the 350 watt motor. Grandpa getting it done there. And it's whatever city you live in, look up Critical Mass Bike Ride, and they probably have a website, and they'll tell you where the starting point is, and then you meet up at the starting point. You don't know where you're going to go, but you're going to come back to the starting point. So I think it's cheating to bring a car there. That's why we take the train and then try to kind of guerrilla warfare combat our way through the streets to get to the starting point. So that tacks more miles on, depending on how you want to do it. But if you want to just take your car and park it and take the bike out of your car, you could certainly do that too. But every city, every big city, I think all over the world does this. So just look up Critical Mass in your city or your country, and you'll meet a lot of instant friends and have a good time. And it's just a fun place to be. So there's the look at the 800 and the 600 in the dark. We need more lights on these because everybody's got all kinds of neon lights on their bikes. But this is after 15 miles plus 5 miles to get there. So about 20 miles, I'm still at 82% battery. And whoa, check out the odometer. 911 building 7. Woo! And the total ride was about 45 miles, and I still had 60% battery left. Matt, the guy on the blue bike there in the blue shirt, so he was able to keep up with everybody, and he started out with 88% battery and ended up with 50% battery. So the fact that you can hooliganize the streets for that many miles on these bikes with 36 volt 10 amp hour batteries is kind of testament to the craftsmanship and the smartness that they built into the motor. So big thumbs up for Tenways, and if you can find a Critical Mass near you, definitely go do it.